Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add music bot in Discord server. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Discord has been opened. At left, you'll be able to see all the servers over here. Tap on the server in which you would like to add the music bot. After you do that, you'll be able to see all the channels of server over here. Simply tap on the channel of your choice. Now that particular channel will be opened. In order to add the music bot, what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to search for the apps and commands over here. Tap on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now what you have to do is simply search for the specific music bot that you would like to add. Here I'm just going to search for green bot. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the result over here. If you would also like to add the green bot, tap on this option, green bot, that you can see on the screen. The process for adding the music bot is same in all the cases. Now you'll be able to find more information regarding the green bot over here. You'll also be able to see all the commands. So if you want to add it, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find two options, add app, copy app ID. Tap on this option, add app, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to add this application in your server. You can see over here you'll have to authorize it. First of all, select the server in which you would like to add this bot. For that, tap on the field add to server. Now you'll be able to see all of your servers over here. Tap on the server of your choice. Now what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here Greenbot will have following permissions on the server. You can also change the permission if you want. If you do not want to allow the permission, you can toggle off the button right next to the permission that you do not want to allow. Now after you do that, tap on the authorize option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here Greenbot has been added to the server. You can simply go to the server. Now what you can do is tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom. Now simply type in /. Now you'll be able to see all the bots that you've added to your server over here. I added the green bot, so I'm being able to see the icon for green bot over here. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the available commands over here. If you want to play the music, the command for it is to simply type in PL. Now you'll be able to find various options like add, create, play, delete, etc. You can simply tap on the option of your choice. If you want to create the playlist, tap on the option create. After you create the playlist, you can play it by simply tapping on this option PL-play. Now you'll have to enter the playlist name over here. Simply select the playlist that you would like to play and tap on the send option. Now after you do that, that particular playlist will be played in your voice channel. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you add music bot to your Discord server. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.